What you saying, people? Back with a bang. The Money Management, back with your Monday motivation for this week. So it's a new day, it's a new week. That means it's time to get our goals. But I was just on a walk and I was thinking, wouldn't it be nice to be completely free? You know, sometimes you're out on a walk or out and about and you're feeling the fresh air, you're feeling good. And I thought, wouldn't it be just great to have complete freedom? Now, we're going to talk about that in a minute, but before we get into that, I want you guys to go check out my last two videos. They were both live streams, my first ever live streams. So go hit the like button on that, run up the watch time, ask a few questions, drop a few comments. You guys know the vibes. But either way, let's talk about freedom today. What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Freedom. I thought I'd talk about that and explain why freedom is my priority and why you should make it your priority. Because in this world, a lot of people do want money. They want power, they want those kind of things. But I thought, why not explain why freedom is my priority? Why is that I need freedom, what I can do with freedom, what you guys can probably do with freedom as well. And overall, hopefully you guys by the end of the video understand a little bit more about freedom in general and what it costs, what you need to do to get there, and why it is so important to me. Of course, it is important to so many people in this world, but a lot of people don't realize what they will need to do to get that. But like I said, I'll explain all that in today's video. Before we get into that, thumbs up today. Please get those thumbs up going. Like the video. If you've not liked the video already, hit that button. Like it. Just click like, dot, and it's done. Also, if you're new around here, it's the same thing for the subscribe button. Hit that red button below, subscribe to the channel. It's the Money Management. We talk about freedom, money, making money, saving money, budgeting, e-commerce, all this kind of stuff. So please, like I said, if you're new around here, hit that red button below. Now, to show me you guys are active and not bots, please comment on this video. Please make sure you guys just drop a comment like you guys do. Let me know your thoughts on the video. Let me know your thoughts on freedom, that kind of stuff. Also, please make sure to share these videos with your friends so we can get more people, help out more people get that freedom that they desire. Not only financial freedom, but just freedom in general. So now let's talk about freedom. Freedom, what a word. So, talking about freedom, what I was thinking of was the fact that a lot of people wake up, they woke up today and they have to go into work. They hate it. I've seen so many posts about this kind of thing. I just don't enjoy it. Now, there is more to life than waking up, going to school or work, doing something, the same thing, repeating it over and over again each and every day. Why are you doing this? Well, because you have to. You need to find a means of living, you need to find a source of income, so you have to do these kind of things. Whether it's going to school to get a degree so you can go and work, or you've already got the degree and you're now working. You need to work so you can get that money, sort out your life, live life. Of course, that is all a part of it. But why can't we be free? What stops us from saying, you know what, I'm not going into work today? What stops you is the fact you have a boss. You have someone who's, supervising you, who says, if you don't do this, then the consequence will happen. And you don't want that consequence to happen. This is why freedom is so important to me. The reason I want that freedom is because, not that I want to go into work today and say, hey, I don't want to do anything, but the fact that I won't need to go into work today at all. The reason you guys should want the freedom as well is because we're born to do so much in this life. We have so many opportunities. There's so much to see in this world. And to be honest, life can be short or long depending on how you look at it or depending on how lucky you get. So I'm saying again, freedom is extremely important and it is my priority. You should make it your priority as well. But why can't we have freedom? What stops us from having that freedom I'm talking about? Well, a lot of us don't build, don't create, don't produce. And you're probably wondering again, what exactly am I talking about? The people who you work for, or the person at the top built that thing. The people who are going into work are working for someone who's building something. Someone is producing something for other people and that is why they are of value. If you're not producing for someone, you're not really of value. The fact you're going into work and doing something might make you think you're of value. In that case, you're of use. It doesn't mean you're not of value, but in that case, you're definitely of use. The people at the top, people who have created something, even if it's just something which is really random, it doesn't matter. They produced, they created value, and people will pay for that value. They've increased their market value. They've increased their value to the market. Those of you who have YouTube channels, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, let me give you an example. Channels that have subscribers of 1 million, 2 million people, they produce a lot of value. That's why they have these subscribers. Of course, they get that YouTube money, they get sponsors, they get ad revenue. But first, they have to create that value. They have to produce, create content, be entertaining, show that they are of value to the world. You guys go and watch their videos because you find them valuable. You guys watch my videos because you probably find it valuable or helpful in some kind of way. Without providing value, it is very difficult to succeed in this world. Without doing things which are going to help you get forward, you will often find yourself stagnating and staying in the same place. That is why I say it's important to build on weekends, on evenings. After work today, what are you going to do? After school today, what are you going to do? If you know you don't enjoy school, are you finding ways to get out? I'm not saying you should quit school. I'm saying, are you finding ways to get out? Are you building something? That's what I'm talking about, building, producing. Are you creating content? Or are you just sitting on your phone, scrolling through social media as always? Again, what you do with your time is so important. It's critical to where you get your eventual freedom. If you want to be at a better place, you want to be at that place of freedom, you're going to have to work to get to that place. I don't mean go and work a job. Maybe sometimes you need to, but I'm saying you're gonna have to put in the time, put in the effort, put in the hours so you can get that eventual freedom. I want that freedom because I can go anywhere where I want. I can do what I want with my time, on my time. I will have the means to do it because I'll have the money. But first, I need to find ways to get that money because it will eventually cause the freedom. But the freedom is priority. The money is the means to that freedom. And a lot of time, when we want to get freedom, it will come down to our passion, because if you just start something just to get money so you can get freedom, it's going to be tough for you on those days you don't want to work, you don't want to put in the time. If you do something because of your passion and you like it and you then monetize it, you're much more likely to have freedom. And the good thing is, when you have that freedom, you can still do it for fun. You can still enjoy it. The big YouTubers you see enjoy making YouTube videos. They're getting money, but it's their passion, creating content, entertaining people, having fun with it. And they're getting freedom because they can do what they want, they can do it when they want. There's no one who says, you've got to do this today, you've got to do this now. They are free, they can do what they want. The people you see who are winning, who are really winning on social media, they have put themselves in a position to win because they have chased their freedom by way of whatever it is, monetizing their passion a lot of times, using what they're capable of, using what they possess to their advantage. You guys have a lot of things you're good at, but a lot of you guys are not using that to your advantage. You guys have knowledge which people will love to share, people will love to get insights to, but you're not using it. A lot of you guys are going to do things over and over again the same way, and you're not going to enjoy it. 5-10 years of the same thing, you don't enjoy it. That's not what we were born to do in this life. That's not what we were here to do. Freedom is priceless. There's no price you can put on it. Doesn't matter if someone pays you 1 million, 2 million, 5 million a year. You need to start finding ways to get your own pay. You need to start finding ways to get your own money. And that's how you're going to get your eventual freedom. And I cannot stress it enough. When you actually prioritize your freedom, you'll get there in no time. When you prioritize it. So it doesn't matter what you do daily, at the back of your mind, you're thinking, I want to get that freedom eventually. So you're doing meaningful things because you want to get that freedom. You're being productive because you want to eventually get freedom. Whether that's you creating something meaningful, investing in assets, getting multiple sources of income, finding ways to replace your job, finding ways to free up your time. You're looking for that freedom, you're chasing that freedom, and you will get there. I've experienced it. Once you start working for freedom, there's nothing that can distract you from getting there, because you know that freedom is priceless, you know you really want that freedom. There's nothing that can stop you from pushing for it. Now, you will not get freedom right away, it will take time, of course, just as every good thing takes. But if you're working on it and you enjoy it, it makes it a lot easier. If you're working in a job that you don't like, it's very difficult to get through. I know that struggle, it's hard. Working on something you like is not easy, it's not fun. But that's why I say it's important that you build something, do something that you do like. That's what side hustles are for. That's what creating passive income is about. Doing stuff you like, doing stuff you enjoy. Stuff that you put in time to do no matter what it is. Stuff that you don't mind doing at 3 a.m., 7 a.m. You'll wake up early for it, you'll sleep late for it. You don't mind, you want it, you enjoy it. It's your passion. And if you're wondering, that is how people scale their side hustles. That's how people make money off their side hustles. Because it's their passion and they eventually scale it because they can put in time, put in work whenever. They don't care. They'll do it anytime. They'll do it for free, which is even better. And eventually, that side hustle, those little small jobs, become their main source of income. And then they just thrive, they're just loving it. Things start off as a passion and you can monetize them. You might not make a lot of money straight away, but you can eventually make that money and you'll be free. Free to stop, being at that job you don't like. Free to stop doing the things you don't want to do. Free to stop working on what you don't like. It's all about you making the time for it, putting in that time, and then eventually reaping the rewards. Of course, like I said, it is not easy. It was just kind of a video to kind of explain to you guys why I'm doing so many different things, why I'm chasing that freedom, why I prioritize that freedom, and why you should do the same. There's more to life than doing things you don't like. There's a lot more to life than that. If you don't understand, go back to the beginning of this video and watch it all again so you understand. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully you guys understood the topic. I did try and speak a little bit slower for you guys because I know you guys do comment that a lot. So I did try and slow it down for you guys today. Hopefully it did work. Now, make sure you guys not forget the message of this video. We've got to prioritize freedom. It is priceless, but we do deserve it. We can work for it. We can make it happen. As always, I'm trying to help one person become better each and every day, one person become closer to success, more financially free, more financially aware, more control of their time, and on the right path to succeeding with whatever the goals they have. Hopefully today that was for you, and hopefully it was done for you today. Make sure you guys check out all the things in the description. We've got cryptocurrency, stocks, first guide is a free guide to online business. We've got affiliate marketing, we've got smartwatches, we've got so much going on there. Lastly, make sure you guys are back here tomorrow for another video. That's for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be making you a freedom to chasing. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.